Today, we all have joined here to witness the grand inauguration of the first ever mathematics club of Nirmala Public School. Mathematics is not about numbers, commutations, equations, or algorithms. It's about understanding. Life has thrown an interesting curveball to us in the form of COVID-19 pandemic. But we the Normalites are unstoppable and are continuing with our activities. I, Jewel Joseph of Class 9 and Gayatri Vimaldev of Class 9 from the core heart consider it a honor to be your host for this beautiful event. So let's start the ceremony with the presence of Almighty God. For that, I invite dear Johnny for prayer.
Nirmala Vibho Vibho you, and we raise our hearts to you. You are a light and our salvation. You are Mother Divine. Ave Maria, the source of our life. Ave Maria, the gentle leading light. Your strength and the power give us the wisdom, Nirmala, our Mother Divine. You are a Mother Divine. When we fail in life, but the sorrow swelling all our heart, give us your light, give us your strength, and bless us from high above. Ave Maria, the source of our life. Ave Maria, the gentle leading light. Your strength and the power lead us to wisdom, Nirmala, our Mother Divine. You are a Mother Divine. You are a Mother Divine.
Thank you, Dia. Now, let's set the tone for this event. For that, we have Mrs. Reena Matthew, our dear Vice Principal, for the welcome speech. Ma'am, please.
Respected Principal, Reverend Father Matthew Mundakel, Chief Guest Dr. K.V. Thomas, Vice Principals Father Joseph Panoth, Viju sir, dear teachers, and my dear students. Today we are going to inaugurate a new venture of our school, the Mathematics Club. The main objective of this club is to provide ample opportunities to our students to develop their latent skill and talents in this subject. It would also serve as a platform to exchange creative ideas and propagate various mathematical applications among students. Mathematics is the basis of everyday life in one way or another. Mathematics is also related to all other subjects. As you are doing lot of problems in the class, it may help you to solve various problems which you face in your day-to-day life in much easier way. It makes you more clever, more alert, and more confident. It sharpens your analytical skill and develop a unique discipline in your life. The head of our Nirmala family, our principal, Reverend Father Matthew Mundakel, always provides all-hearted support and encouragement to everyone to enhance their creativity and to develop their innovative skill. He provides ample opportunities for students to exhibit their talents and promote them for their improvement. I cordially welcome our principal to this function. Our chief guest, Dr. K.V. Thomas, is the principal of Nirmala College and a research guide in mathematics. He accepted our invitation with the pleasure to be a part of this function. He has sent his greetings and wishes for the success of this venture. I thank you, sir, for the same. Our vice principals, Father Joseph Panath, Vijay sir, are always there as a supporting pillars of Nirmala Public School. I welcome you both to this function. I welcome all my colleagues, especially the members of Mathematics Department who took the initiative to start the new venture. Next, my dear students who are part of this Mathematics Club. Your active participation and involvement can make all the activities of this club successful. I welcome you all to this function. On behalf of Mathematics Department, once again, I extend a warm welcome to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Vedamat, for those cheerful words. Mathematics Club is formed in our school in order to enrich the arithmetic talents of the students in our school. Now, let's move into the most important part of this ceremony. For that, I invite our dear principal, Reverend Father Matthew Mundakal, for inaugurating the Mathematics Club of our school and also for the inaugural address. Father, please.
A warm good morning to you all. Professor K.V. Thomas, the chief guest of the day and principal of Nirmala College, Muvattupuzha, respected teachers and my dear students. Today I feel happy to see that the mathematics department of our school is taking a new initiative by officially inaugurating the mathematics club in our school. Let me appreciate all the teachers of mathematics department who is taking much initiative in creating interest and love in students to study mathematics under the able guidance and leadership of Reena Matthew, the head of the department. I also appreciate the students who have taken keen interest to join this club and thereby become the future mathematicians. The aim of this club is to spread awareness about the practical use of mathematics and to inculcate love for maths as a subject in students. While many may complain that maths is boring or complicated, the truth is that a life devoid of mathematics means that we go around experiencing the world on a much less interesting level than we could, and I think it is the basis of everyday life. Mathematics makes our life orderly and prevents chaos. Certain qualities that are nurtured by mathematics are power of reasoning, creativity, abstract or spatial thinking, critical thinking, problem solving ability, and even effective communicator skills. Definitely, it is mostly of equations, numbers, and some Greek letters, but maths is understood the same virtually all over the world. Mathematics is not only important for success in life, it is all around us. The laws of mathematics are evident throughout the world, including in nature and the problem solving skills obtained from.
Thank you, Father. Gayatri, have you ever seen a Dracula's palace before?
Dracula's palace. Does that even exist?
To your surprise, there is a Dracula's palace in Romania, which is known as Bran Castle.
Oh, that sounds interesting.
Now, let's see a miniature of Bran Castle made by Karen Bennett of Class 7.
नहीं होता बेटा बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स में हम कुल बस मैथ्स में डब्बा
Hello everyone, I'm Karen Bennett of class 7A. Traveling at this pandemic period is really dangerous. I do know that, but don't worry. Stay home, stay safe. I will take you to see the world's #1 fabulous architectures in Romania. So, we have reached Romania. This is Bran Castle, Romania, which is known as the Dracula's Palace. This is the best tourist attraction in Romania. You may have seen this in many English movies. This is the miniature form of the castle and made of different mathematical shapes. Let's begin. This is a septagonal prism. A prism has two identical bases and the faces are of rectangles. This is a pyramid. A pyramid has a single base and a vertex at the top, and its faces will be of triangles. The measurement of this pillar is 67.5 centimeter tall. Next is this. This is a pentagonal prism and the top part of it is of a pyramid. This is 60 centimeter tall. This is a hexagonal prism and it is 45 centimeter tall. This is a pillar and it has a cylinder and a cone at the top. This is a trapezium. This resembles to a parallelogram. The bases, the two bases are of this shape. These are cylinders and cones on the top. This is also a pyramid and it is a square pyramid. Here we have a square, 4 squares and a big rectangle. Here are 2 sectors and 2 line segments. This is what I have to present before you. This is Brand Castle, Romania. Thank you.
Thank you, Karen. Today, we have a well-acclaimed chief guest, Dr. K.V. Thomas, to share his vast ideas and experiences with us. He is a mathematics research guide and an efficient administrator who got PhD from Delhi University and degree from Nirmala College. With a total of 25 years of service, he is now serving as the principal of Nirmala College, Muvattupuzha. Now, we cordially invite Dr. K.V. Thomas for delivering a message. Sir, please.
Respected Principal, Reverend Father Matthews Mundakal, dear teachers and my dear students of Nirmala Public School. I am very happy to know that Nirmala Public School Muvattupuzha is forming a platform for students in mathematics activity under Mathematics Association. On this occasion, I am glad to say that mathematics teachers of Nirmala Public School are highly appreciated by both students and parents. The leadership qualities of the principal, Reverend Father Matthews Mundakal, even in the time of COVID-19, by the successful implementation of online classes, is quite appreciable. Mathematics is a subject which is most essential for the future development of all science subjects as well as many art subjects. An association of this kind can arouse and maintain students' interest in mathematics by arranging talks, seminars, games, exhibitions, problem solving, quizzes, and so on. Also, students will get an opportunity to interact with and listen to experts and teachers from various fields under this association. This will help students to know about the latest discoveries and developments in mathematics. Under the association banner, inter-school mathematics competitions can be arranged. Through this club, we can groom future mathematicians. We can observe days and events pertaining to the history of mathematics and mathematicians. Apart from classroom teaching, discussion on practical applications of mathematics can be conducted under Mathematics Association. Under the leadership of mathematics teachers, students can conduct mathematical exhibitions using charts, models, pictures, graphs, quizzes, puzzles, riddles, games, and so on. On this occasion, I wish all the success for the Mathematics Association of Nirmala Public School.
Thank you, sir, for those inspiring words. Gayatri, you must have enjoyed playing in a seesaw, slides, and swings in a park.
Yes, we all have.
But have you ever enjoyed playing in a geometrical seesaw slides and all?
No, but that sounds good.
In reality, it's possible in Alina's geometrical park made by Alina and Anthony of grade 9. Now let's see how the park looks like.
Good evening everyone. I am Alina and Anthony of class 9D. Well, right after my teacher took the lesson mensuration and its solid shapes, I had an idea to make a geometrical park using these shapes. So I thought, why not use this valuable time making a geometrical park and improve my learning and creative skills in this pandemic session. So at first we have two cylindrical shapes which represents the pillar, and we have two bulbs which shows all the light for the park. Then we have a wall which has parallelly cut with rectangular strips. Now we can go towards the inner. Once you enter the park, you can see on your right hand side there's a small slide which is for small children. This full slide is rectangular in shape. This is the entrance for the slide to get in, and the way you can slide down. Except the bottom and top part, it is square shaped so that you can sit and slide off easily. Next, we have our recycle bin, which is cuboidal in shape and has a rectangle on its top. This is for using so that our park does not remain dirty. Next, we have a bench which is fully out of rectangle. It has rectangle parallel openings as well. Next, we have a seesaw which is in rectangular in shape and has arched handlebars. Or if you see carefully, you can see a triangle on its bottom to make sure it is balanced. We have a merry-go-round which is handled as arched and has a rectangle cut open in it. It also has triangular shaped design. A lamp post which is cylindrical in shape and has a cone on its upper part. It represents a lamp post and gives whole light towards these part of the area. Next, we have our swing which is fully rectangle as well, but has square as its seating parts. Next, I've also set up a washroom for the children so that they can use their needs. It is fully rectangle in shape and also has a rectangular door open. On its sides, you can see a triangle. We have a slide which is bigger than that, and it is fully of rectangular and as well has a square for its sitting area. Next, we have the drinking water area which is cuboidal in shape and is opened. It has a rectangular pipe and has a triangle tap. This is mainly used so that the children needs hydration. Hope you guys enjoy my geometrical park. Thank you all.
Multiplication tables are sometimes confusing when we simply look at it. But Jenna Sajay of class 5 has come up with a solution with a song. Now, let's go on to the presentation of the multiplication song.
7 1 is 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. 7 2 is 40. 7 3 is 21. 7 3 is 21. 7 4 is 28. 7 4 is 28. 7 5 is 35. 7 5 is 35. 7 6 is 42. 7 6 is 42. 7 7 is 49. 7 7 is 49. 7 8 is 56. 7 8 is 56. 7 9 is 63. 7 9 is 63. 7 10 is 70. 7 10 is 70.
Thank you, Danna, for that sweet song. Now we have Meghana Sara Binoy of class 11 for a speech. Meghana, please.
Good morning to one and all. I am Meghna Sara Binoy of class 11A, and today I'm going to speak about a queen. We all know the story of the great Greek king Midas, who could change anything to gold by just touching it. But our queen is a bit different. She never changed anything to gold, but she, with her magical touch, changed the whole course of mankind. Yes, I'm talking about mathematics, the undisputed queen of all sciences. Some people think that mathematics is just a collection of some weird formulae and calculations without any real-life applications. Well, this is absolutely wrong. Mathematics is applied in every aspect of life. For example, buying something from the grocery store, making budgets, cooking, automobile engineering, marketing, computers, etc. Can we imagine even one branch of science without maths in it? Be it be chemistry, biology, physics, aviation, architecture, the undisputed presence of mathematics is there everywhere. The great mathematicians of ancient times have paved way for this present glory. Their astonishing ability made math work in magical ways. So mathematics is actually mathemagic. Over the years, maths has grown to be the greatest scientific discipline. Just look around you. All you see are shapes, numbers, and patterns. There is something very mathematical about this universe. The more you look, the more maths you see. I think the most amazing application of math would be the golden ratio, 1.618, which explains the relationship between two segments of a straight line. It is present in biology, art, aviation, designing, and whatnot, our very own human body. Yes, golden ratio explains the proportion of many body parts, such as face, hand, and foot. In nature, it is found in shells, pine cones, fruits, and vegetables. The pride of India, Taj Mahal, was designed using the golden ratio. That is why it looks so perfect. Everything attractive and beautiful can be explained with the help of golden ratio. Now, would somebody even believe me if I were to say that the greatest number a mind can perceive and the size of the universe is not infinity but 0? Here goes the explanation. For every positive number, there is a negative number. And for every particle, there is an antiparticle in this universe. So when everything is put together in a big picture, everything cancels everything and the end result is 0. This beautiful concept was discovered in our very own country, India. So 0 is nothing, but still everything. To conclude, maths is not just a subject to be learned from various textbooks. It is an experience which has to be carried on from generations to generations. It is a true gem which has to be treasured by every individual. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Meghana, for that marvelous speech. Before forming the Mathematics Club, students of Nirmala had shown their keen interest in maths by doing some activities. Now, let's see some of those activities.
A warm good morning to all. Myself, Joshua Everett of class 5. High Express Mathematics is occupied today, and the progress which it had made through the ages is all due to dedicated and sustained work of great mathematicians. Their lives and deeds will continue to inspire students and scholars.
Today, I would like to share some information about mathematician who born on this month.
Jacques Stitz, born on 12th of August 1930, is a Belgian-born French mathematician who worked on group theory and incidence geometry and who introduced its buildings, the Tits alternative and the Tits group, and many other applications. Thank you.
I'm Jordi Dibi of class 7. Today, I'm going to present a working model of max for a max toy. This is a relationship with max and symmetry. We can make different geometrical shapes by these beautiful colors. Now, I will show some of them. This is a star. This is a cube. This is a triangle. This is a 3x7. So, I'm concluding this by this time.
Hi friends, I'm Krishnapriya of class 6B and I am going to explain types of angles very easily. See, we take two circles. The radius of these two circles are same. First we are keeping these circles equally and this angle is called zero angle, which is 0 degree. And after moving a further, we will get acute angle, which is less than 90 degree. And after moving a little more, we will get right angle, which is 90 degree. And after moving some more, we will get obtuse angle, which is more than 90 degree. And after moving some more, we will get 180 degree straight angle. After moving furthermore, we will get reflex angle. And after moving some more, we will get complete angle, which is 360 degree. Thank you.
class 11A. Today I'm here to explain a simple trick in which we all can easily remember the trigonometric table. Trigonometric table is base of trigonometry. The trick which we are going to use today is called the pawn trick. Before we go on to the trick, I want all of you to remember some points. 0 degree is taken in the small finger and Ring finger is taken as 30 degrees, middle finger as 45 degrees, point finger is 60 degrees, and 90 degrees taken in thumb finger. The next point is sin theta always moves in clockwise direction, while cos theta moves in anti-clockwise direction. Numerator is always a square root of a number. Denominator is always 2. We'll go with the first example, which is sin 0 degree. Sin always moves in clockwise direction, and moving in a clockwise direction and reaching 0 degrees, we find that there are no fingers to its right side. So it's square root of 0 divided by 2, which is 0. Sin 30 degree. On reaching sin 30 degree, we find that there is one finger to its right, so it's square root of 1 divided by 2, which is half. Sin 45 degree. On reaching sin 45 degrees, we find that we have two fingers to its right. So it's square root of 2 divided by 2. When we simplify it, we get it as 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degree. On reaching 60 degree, we find that there are 3 fingers to its right side. So it's root 3 divided by 2. Sin 90 degree. On reaching sin 90 degree, we find that there are 4 fingers to its right. So it's square root of 4 divided by 2. Square root of 4 is a perfect square. So it's 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Then we move on with cos. Cos always moves in anti-clockwise direction. Cos 0 degree. On reaching cos 0 degree, we find that there are 4 fingers to its left side. So it's square root of 4 divided by 2, which is 2 by 2, is equal to 1. Cos 30 degree. On reaching cos 30 degree, we find that there are 3 fingers to its left side. So it's root 3 divided by 2. Cos 45 degree. On reaching cos 45 degree, there are 2 fingers to its left side. So it's root 2 divided by 2, which is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degree. On reaching cos 60 degree, we find that there is 1 finger to its left side. So it's square root of 1 divided by 2, which is half. Lastly, cos 90 degree. On reaching cos 90 degree, we find that there are no fingers to its left side. So it's square root of 0 divided by 2, which is 0. I hope you all understood this easy method. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello friends, so this is a model that will help us to learn about the different types of quadrilaterals. So this is a square where all the 4 sides are of the equal length. And now this is a rectangle where the opposite sides are of the equal length. And now this is a parallelogram where the opposite sides are parallel to each other. Now this is a trapezium where one set of opposite sides are parallel to each other. And now this is a rhombus. It's a quadrilateral with all the 4 sides of the equal length. A square is a rhombus, but a rhombus is not necessarily a square. And now this is a kite where the adjacent sides are of the equal length. Thank you.
everyone. This proves that maths is easy as pie. Joel, I think we are forgetting something because today we have a sweet girl from a junior section. Today, I invite Ishwi Dostiraj of class 4 for a speech. Ishwi, the platform is all yours.
A very warm good morning to one and all present here. I am Ishwi Dostiraj of class 4E, representing LP section of our school. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the teachers and students who took initiative to form this math club during this prevalent situation. Today, I would like to say a few words about importance of mathematics. Mathematics, as we know, it is a discipline that each and every one of us requires in our daily life. Without it, the world would simply be a dangerous place to live. Would it even be possible to carry out most of the currently achieved inventions and discoveries without it? The answer would be simply a no. Maths has played a big part in shaping the world. It is advancement today. We can unfold the term mathematics, mathematics as miracle of nature, art of arithmetic, tool of knowledge, habit of problem solving, evaluation of civilization, magic of numbers, application of rules, tool of knowledge, ideas of intellect, creativity of algebra, science of learning. Mathematics is a methodical application of matter. It is so said because it makes a man methodical and systematic. And mathematics has played an important role in our life, and we cannot imagine it without mathematics. If you are taking a simple example, that if you want to make a delicious food, first of all, we have to prepare it according to the correct proportion of ingredients. So friends, we should never be scared of mathematics. It is full of fun and we have to enjoy it. Now, I would like to conclude my words in a quote. You won't need special equipment, millions of dollars or lots of people. You just need your mind. Mathematics is pure. It does not rust or decay. It only needs your thought to make it work. Mathematics goes beyond the real world. Yes, the real world seems to be ruled by it. Best wishes for the upcoming activities of Maths Club. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Ishwi, for that amazing speech. Gratitude is the readiness to show appreciation and to return kindness. Now, I welcome Alita Caroline Sunny of grade 11 for Vote of Thanks.
A very warm good morning to one and all present here. Mathematics Club is for developing our skill and interest in the subject mathematics. The most awaited event of the inaugural function is done here. It is my immense pleasure to deliver the word of thanks to all the dignitaries. First of all, may I, on behalf of all the members of the Mathematics Club, express our sincere gratitude and thanks to our dear Principal, Reverend Father Matthew Muntakil, for inaugurating this function. I would like to thank our chief guest, Dr. K.V. Thomas, for honoring this function with his inspirational thoughts. I take this opportunity to thank our Vice Principal, Reverend Father Joseph Puneet, Vijay Sir, and Reena Ma'am for the esteemed presence in this event. I would like to thank all the teachers in the Mathematics Department for encouraging the students and taking the initiative of organizing this colorful event. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the teachers and my friends for their presentation and active participation throughout the event. Once again, I would like to thank each and every one of you for making this event a grand success. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Alita. We are now nearing to the end of this event. I request you all to please stand up for the national anthem and singing along with Ayana Babu.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कलबङ्गा विन्ध्य हिमाचल यमुना गङ्गा उच्चल जलति तरङ्गा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, everyone. With this, we are winding up our inaugural event. Thank you all for your dear support and participation.
Extending our great regard to Almighty God for making today's event a success, we are concluding this event. With a pleasant mind and a happy smile, this is Gayatri and Jewel signing off. Thank you and stay alert, stay safe.